Well, another great day. At the moment, I am waiting in line to switch out a tire because of a slow air leak. And yeah, so nothing to complain about. I'm just going to switch this tire out, make sure there's plenty of tire in the other, so plenty of air in the other tire, and then go back to work. And I'm going to be working all day and a good portion of the night. Right now, judging by where I'm at, I'm right by Anderson and also Muncie. Kind of far from Newcastle. Motsinger Tire is a great place to get used tires. And yeah, and I enjoy coming here. I'm hoping I don't have too long of a wait because I want to hit the road and make money for the day. So what is everyone's plans out there? I am planning on doing a YouTube video, which I can place on YouTube, Facebook, and parts on TikTok of me taking a bus of places of 5 parts from 2 different places of 5s and try and make one good working one. So stay tuned for that video. And till next time, this is Robert McMurray. I'll see you guys soon.